Hi guys, welcome to Marcy Sina Kitchen. I'm going to bake sweet potato pudding today, but I'm going to do it outside. Who know about baking sweet potato pudding on coal fire? But grandmother used to teach you how to bake it. Guys, if you don't subscribe to my channel as yet, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you. So to make your sweet potato pudding, you have to use small piece of yellow yam. Inside of it about half pound of yellow yam and 2 pounds and a half of sweet potato. So this is the way sweet potato look when it finish to be peeled and to be sliced. When you peel it up and slice it, this way it's easier to be grater. And also the yellow yam. And guys, keep it in water. When you keep it in water, better for you to go ahead and grate it. More softer. So I finished to be grated the sweet potato, and it's time for me to grate the yellow yam. You're going to see the difference of the yellow yam from the sweet potato. And some people use cornmeal, but I choose to use yellow yam, just like my grandmother. Can I get slippery now? Oh. So this is the way it look. When you finish grating your yam and your sweet potato, now it's time for me to go and prepare the coconut. So this is the way coconut look. I'm going to remove it now from the shell. So you set your knife right here and you put it on there, remove it. You can also use a tin coconut milk if you choose. If you're a choice to use it, you can use it. But I love to use my real coconut. We don't have nothing but the natural coconut inside of it. Remember guys, to hold the coconut carefully, because your hand slip off the grater will slice you. And don't afraid of the grater. Just hold the coconut and just set your hand like this and just grate it. You see it? If you even slip, it don't cut you. So this is the way the coconut look when you finish to be grated it. So it's time for me to juice it. When you grate your coconut, you get everything from it. And if you even want to put some of this on top of the pudding, you can also do it. But how you do that part, you have to wait till you finish to be set the pudding inside of the container we're going to bake inside and then sprig it on the top of it. I'm going to throw a small amount of water on it again and strain again. I'm going to give the second strain. So the first thing we're going to do to make our sweet potato pudding is to sweeten the coconut milk. Inside here I have 1.5 cups of sugar. I'm going to mix and mix until all of the sugar mix right out. I'm going to taste it and see if it needs more sugar. Need a small amount of sugar, so I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of sugar more inside of it. In Jamaica here we call it fire top and fire bottom and hallelujah in Jamaica.